From the wind tunnel to the multi-axis shaker table, our process ensures the ultimate durability of the new pickup platform.
Front axle is reading 3250. Roger that. Center of gravity is logged.
Check the connections on the DAQ module.
Channel 12 is secure. Data stream looks stable on the tablet.
All sensors reading nominal. Okay, confirm torque specs on the belts. We are clear for stage 1.
LEDs are synchronized across the array.
Confirmed on screen 3. We are ready for the sequence.
All plates secured and markers checked. We are ready.
Confirmed. We are green for launch.
Triggers connected and armed.
Laser alignment confirms position.
Control, we are ready for propulsion.
T-minus 10 seconds. All personnel clear.
Affirmative. Initiating sequence.
The crumple zone performed exactly as modeled.
Look at the stress distribution here on the passenger side.
The neck loads are higher than the previous run.
Check the airbag deployment timing again.
The deployment pressure on the inflator looks consistent here.
Cross-referencing the high-speed footage. The burst happens exactly at 22 milliseconds.
The crumple zones are absorbing the energy well.
Yes, and the reinforced pillars show minimal deformation according to the heat map.
The alignment is spot on the center line.
Acknowledged. Proceed with marking the targets.
Roof deformation at 150 millimeters.
Pillar integrity holding, but the rear window shattered at 120 degrees.
There's significant wind intrusion coming through the driver's side.
And the panel vibration is exceeding the threshold right here.
By analyzing the laser data, we can identify critical vibration hotspots across the chassis and pinpoint the source of the resonance.
Look at the vibration spike right here.
Yeah, the latch stress is significant at that height.
Look at the spike on the rear left suspension mount.
I see it. We're exceeding the threshold at 5,000 cycles.
There's the main resonance point right behind the display.
Okay, let's get that secured and check the readings again.
The turbulence around the A-pillar is causing significant noise.
Yes, the data confirms high pressure fluctuations right here.
Okay, keep it steady now. Easy, easy.
Almost there. Clear the threshold.
The acoustic sensors are picking up significant crackling near the rivets.
The strain maps correlate. We have critical stress levels on the chassis.
Seal integrity looks good.
Intake performance is stable, well within parameters.
Paint chips are minimal, but look at the stone deflection on the left side.
Steering stability held up even with the heavy impacts. And the landing impact is heavy. We are seeing full suspension compression and frame flex.
We're seeing some instability right here on the torque curve.
Let's adjust the ventilation speed and rerun the cycle.
The cycles are holding steady at 2,000 hertz.
Check the joint fatigue right here. It looks like the stress is accumulating faster on the left side.
There is a major hotspot developing right here.
I see it. Let's isolate the frequency sweep around 400 hertz.
The pitting on the chrome is accelerating faster than projected.
Yes, the pH levels are consistent with the simulation parameters.
Applying the coolant now. Watch the runoff near the weld point. Got it. The fuel exposure area is starting to show slight swelling.
The truck enters a rust-chute that alternates between moisture, salt fog, and heat. This simulates
Structural stability is green across the board. The reinforcements are working.
Let's monitor the water ingress on the passenger side door. Manifold temperatures are critical. We're exceeding the threshold.
I see it. Abort the sequence now. We're approaching maximum pressure. The lines are holding.
red line engaged. Monitor for any microfractures.
The rotational whip is causing significant harmonic waves here at the coupling.
Confirmed. We need to recalibrate the balance immediately.
The intrusion on the driver's side is significant.
Yes, the B-pillar completely failed at 40 milliseconds.
The resistance peak was 620. Recording complete.
Look at the thermal reading right here. We have a hot spot developing.
The smoke is pulling in right here.
And the meter confirms it. That's definitely a leak.
Signal integrity is stable. No loss detected.
The camera housing held up perfectly, no fogging at all.
The warpage on the passenger side is within tolerance.
Adhesion is holding steady. Let's keep monitoring the VOC spike.
The cutoff sharpness on the left side is excellent, well within tolerance.
Agreed. The adaptive sweep is functioning precisely.
We just hit maximum pulse. Watch the bed floor deflection right there. Noted.
The rear left weld is showing minor strain, but holding integrity.
The continuity on the front left sensor is fluctuating more than expected. Noted.
Water ingress in the housing seems minimal, though.
The false positive rate is spiking on the radar.
Filtering systems engaging now. Look at the ECU stabilization.
We have a minor thermal variance here on the rear axle.
Rerunning the structural sensor output now.
The suspension travel exceeded tolerance on the front left.
Confirmed. The marker indicates the extent of the body panel failure here.
Check the seal on the transmission fluid lines. It looks worn.
Logging as potential fatigue. Make sure the bench is clear for landing.
We have significant scuffing on the rod bearings here.
Yes, and look closely at these stress fractures under the light. The heat damage is evident.
Where is it? The pitting is severe here at the 500x magnification. See the micro cracks?
Yes, the stress fractures confirm the high...
There's the anomaly. The waveform is spiking right at the weld joint. Confirmed. Slowing the probe down for a closer look at the defect.
The data confirms the durability target across all cycles.
Excellent. That translates to 15 years of real-world use.
The rear impact zone is still showing critical failure at 40 milliseconds.
We need to reinforce the B-pillar connection here.
Alignment on the front left is reading optimal.
Torque is set. We are cleared for final testing.
Okay, the azimuth is set. Check the readout.
99.8%. Alignment complete.
Caster's good.
Perfect. All green, alignment complete.
The flushing sequence is running clear now.
Good. Let's switch over to the fresh supply for the transmission.
Look at the stabilization here on the CO2 levels.
Yes, well below the threshold.
Excellent. We are clear for sign-off.
The cabin isolation is superb. We are seeing excellent suspension compliance, and the steering response is smooth and predictable.
Okay, cross-reference these chassis numbers with the provided documentation. The sensor calibration data matches the specs here.
The vibration cycles confirm the NVH levels are fully compliant with the new standards.
Excellent work. The data looks solid. This matches the chassis stamping here.
Confirmed on the digital record, everything is aligned for the full-size pickup.
Everything is secured and tagged.
Confirmed. The checklist is complete on the tablet.
International shipments, lane 3. Keep moving, next one up.
Slow down, easy now. Okay, bring it straight back. A little more, and stop right there.
VIN scan is clear.
Certs match the manifest. Go ahead and release the vehicle.
All fluid levels are optimal.
And the diagnostics are clear, ready for sign-off.
Approved.
And the tailgate assist makes loading much easier.
Wow, that is incredibly smooth. The technology and comfort are what really sell it. This is impressive.
Sure.
Congratulations on your new truck. Here are the keys.
Oh, thank you so much. I love it.